Hi people, I'm Extreme today with you, and today I'm going to reveal how to get rid of stitch marks. Method 1. Using home treatment. Number 1. Keep the stitch marks covered and clean during the day. Number 2. Use silicone pads to help the marks heal properly. Number 3. Do not apply vitamin E or hydrogen peroxide to the marks. Number 4. Protect the stitch marks from the sun by using sunscreen. Number 5. Massage the area once the stitch marks have healed. Method 2. Using professional treatment. Number 1. Get your stitches removed within a week. Number 2. Talk to your doctor about laser treatments. And finally, number 3. See your doctor if the stitch marks become red, irritated, or swollen.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share many more times, and if you have any question or which type of video you prefer, mention in the comment section. Thank you.